My Bridgeport handle is broken. I have got the threads out of the broken off stud bit out of the handle. Let me show you that. Blah 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 blah. So I've got it's a bit rusty. I've just got it from a old engineering place in Coventry, and it's in better condition than the lathe was when I got it, but the handle was broken. I bought a Chinese handle. It said Bridgeport handle, but it's metric, so it doesn't fit. So 20 quid. So I thought, oh, I'll try and drill it in. So I drilled it and put an easy out in it, and it came out. Hooray! 3/8. I forgot now. 3/8 20, I think. But I have to measure it again now, won't I? Wow, that's really easy to take a picture of that, isn't it? So what I'm doing is I'm just dialing this in. And as usual, I don't know which way the dial indicator goes, so should we take that as the low? I think that's the low. So if I tap it that way a bit with my copper mallet, hopefully right, that's the low. So we'll tap that towards the indicator. That is the low. There. Tap that. And I think that will suffice. Most of you will agree with that. Just going to nip it up and recheck it. So it's nipped up. And it's moved. See if we can make that any better. That's the low. Try that. One, maybe 2/200 of a millimetre, that's perfect. So you can imagine now I'm just going to face that off and drill a hole in the end of it and hope for the best. Facing operation done. I don't know if it will zoom in on that. There we go. Just using this little 12mm carbide bit. And I'm going to drill it. So you can see the Loctite there. I've used a hardened bolt. Just a little cap screw. Stuck it in. There are the old threads. So we're matching in length just about. There was a bit sticking out, so hopefully if I can stick the right threads on that, cut it right down to its right diameter for a start, the handle will be repaired. So I have done it. These are the threads. For a beginner, the second threads I've ever done, I've made some bodges. So I caught you can't really see it, like I caught the handle a little bit with the threading tool. I didn't put a live centre in for a start, I had a few mishaps, so the diameter might be a little bit under. But it threads on. The handle is threaded on, it's a really tight thread. Sorry my finger's in the way. You saw it threaded on there. It threads on. It's a really tight thread, just a little bit of wiggle in it. Obviously the thread isn't very good because it could have been less wiggle than that, but that ain't bad. That ain't bad for a newcomer. That's doing pretty well. Plus, I think these are probably not Whitworth threads. That's a 55-degree tool. Well, you know, it's in. it's in there. The handle is repaired. I think I'm going to polish it up a little bit now. I'm quite happy with that. Get some sandpaper on it and make it look a bit, you know, jizzy. And we have the Bridgeport mill handle repaired. Don't suppose I should be doing this on the lathe. Just undo it a little bit. I suppose I should be doing this somewhere else other than on the lathe, but there we go. Just give it a bit of a light polishing. Try not to drop it, idiot. There we go, that'll do. It is back together. All together better.